Have you ever pondered the quality of the air within your own home? How about the invisible toxins that might be lurking? It's a thought that can certainly stir the mind. Now imagine if the solution to this problem was as simple and as beautiful as a houseplant. Today, we delve into the world of indoor plants, but not just any plants. We're talking about nature's very own air purifiers. First up, we have the spider plant, also known as Chlorophytum comosum. Don't be put off by its name. This plant is a superhero in disguise. It's not only easy to grow and maintain, but it also works tirelessly to remove toxins such as formaldehyde and xylene from your home. So not only does the spider plant add a touch of green to your living space, it also works around the clock to keep your air clean. Next, we have the snake plant or Sansevieria. This plant is not only stylish, but also a night owl. Unlike most plants, the snake plant continues to produce oxygen during the night, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms. It's also known for its ability to filter out toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and xylene. Moving on, we encounter the English ivy, or Hedera helix. This evergreen vine is known for its ability to reduce airborne mold and feces particles, making it an excellent choice for those with allergies or asthma. Its beautiful draping leaves make it a stunning addition to any room. Let's not forget the bamboo palm. This plant, also known as Chamedorea, is a superstar when it comes to filtering formaldehyde. It's also known to remove other harmful chemicals like benzene and trichloroethylene. Plus, it adds a tropical feel to any living space. Finally, we have the peace lily. This plant is not just a pretty face. It's also a hard worker, removing toxins like ammonia, benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene from your home. It's also one of the few air-purifying plants that flowers, offering beautiful blooms to complement its green leaves. In summary, each of these plants offers a unique set of air-purifying properties. The spider plant removes formaldehyde and xylene. The snake plant produces oxygen at night and filters out several toxins. The English ivy reduces airborne mold and feces particles. The bamboo palm filters formaldehyde and other chemicals. And the peace lily removes a variety of toxins while offering beautiful flowers. So why not add a touch of green to your living space and breathe a little easier, knowing that these plants are hard at work, purifying your air? Remember, a little green can go a long way in creating a healthier, happier home environment.